हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक हैं? आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे आइल्स एकेडमिक टास्क वन। उसके अंदर हम डिस्कस करेंगे पाई चार्ट कि आपने पाई चार्ट को कैसे करना है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखें और आपको इसका ये सिर्फ फ़ायदा है कि आपको किसी एकेडमी जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, फ्री लेक्चर्स हैं और आप बहुत जल्दी इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट शो करेंगे। ओके ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। First of all, what is a pie chart? As we have discussed before, that a pie chart is a visual chart and you have to write it in 150 words. So let's conquer pie chart like a pro. What is it? Task 1 asks you to summarize visual data in 150 words or more. You'll often encounter pie charts but also bar graphs, line graphs, tables, and processes. We will do them later. Now, why it is important? Because it tests your ability to interpret and clearly communicate information. It's crucial for your overall writing score. Now, how to approach it? We'll follow a simple four-step method, and I'll explain you as we move along. Briefly describe the chart's purpose. For example, what does the chart illustrates, or what does the chart tells you? So let us see. Here we can see that this chart is telling us that what is the question. This is the question. Okay. The pie charts below give information on the ages of the populations of Oman and Spain in 2005 and projections for 2055. These are the years. Summarize the information as you can read it. Now, what is the thing here? We need to see that these are the two pie charts given here. So one pie chart is of Oman here, okay, and the other pie chart is of Spain here, okay. So what this is telling, what is the different information on the basis of population? You have to tell them. So you can see different things, and we are going to discuss it, how to interpret it and write it. But the first thing comes first is briefly describes the chart's purpose. The pie chart illustrates. So the pie charts below give information. Here the word give information. You know, you have to understand it. So when I say give information, it means you can use other vocabulary than that. For example, we can say the charts give information. Instead of give information, you can say many. You can use any word which is like, for example, it reflects information, it presents information, and it shows information. And now let me show you some vocabulary that we have. So this is first thing that you need to do, and let me show you what are the words that you can utilize uh, when it comes to vocabulary. Okay. So in task one, these are also the words that are used, okay, and which we will see as soon as we move. Okay. So coming back, let's see, do we have anything in our first group? Uh, the pie charts below give information. So instead of give, we can, like I have told you, we can use utilize, we can use illustrates, represents, okay. But there, you can take a screenshot of this, or you can pause the video here. That these are also words that are specifically used for task one. Now, Let's make it further. Let's go further. So after briefly describe the chart's purpose, so you have done the chart's purpose, which is to give information on the ages of the populations of Oman and Spain between these years, a 50 years window, you know, 50 years window. So you have to see them. Okay. Now, so now let's discuss this further. So what you can do, you can write here. So you can write the chart illustrates illustrates, or you can write represents, or you can write um, depicts, depicts. Since there are two charts, so we are going to write the charts illustrate as present definite tense. We cannot write illustrates or represents when there is a plural. So the chart illustrates or the charts illustrate. So this is a difference that you have to understand because it is a present indefinite tense. So moving on. Now you can write anything like that. So this is known as paraphrase. This is the first thing that you are going to do in your chart one, in your pie chart task one, that you have to